Hello everyone, welcome to Talk a Topic. I am Harihar. Here we are going to discuss about a case study on Oyo Rooms and its business model and success mantra and journey. Oyo is an online platform for hotel booking in India. Oyo Room is the biggest chain of hotels in the world. It was founded in 2012 by Ritesh Agrawal. Oyo's objective is to change the way people stay away from home. Oyo network is into more than 200 cities in India and also in Nepal and Malaysia with more than 6,500 hotels offering hassle-free stay experience at an affordable price. Founder of Oyo Ritesh Agrawal is founder and CEO of Oyo. To pursue his dream of becoming an entrepreneur, he Indian School of Business and Finance, Delhi, but left his studies midway to becoming an entrepreneur. At the age of 17, Ritesh launched Oracle Travels, which later branched out to become Oyo Rooms. He has traveled all over India and discovered the issue of lack of budget hotels in India. Later, while working on his first startup, he identified that not only there is a lack of hotel, but also the prices of hotel are very high. That's why he started Oyo. Today, is one of the biggest businessmen in India. He has won many national and international awards. There are Forbes 30 under 30 in the consumer tech sector and top 50 entrepreneurs in 2013 by Tata First Dot powered by NEN Awards and TiE Lumen's Entrepreneurial Excellence Award in 2014 and also Business World Young Entrepreneur Award. Ritesh has also written a book named A Complete Encyclopedia of Top 100 Engineering Colleges and was the best seller of the year. Ritesh also became the youngest speaker in the panel of Think Edu panel in 2014. And its journey. Oyo started its journey in May 2013 with a single property and slowly increased the number of properties from 1 to 15 in July 2014. Now, Oyo has partnered with more than 6,500 hotels across the nation. In 2016, Oyo made his first international expansion in Malaysia. Then in 2017, Oyo started its operation in Nepal. In September 2018, Oyo Rooms announced its expansion in London and also its success mantra. The objective of Oyo's inception was to provide standard rooms at very affordable price, and this has become the mantra of their success. Standardization, affordability and technology. Standardization means Oyo Rooms promises to provide the same facilities and amenities which are shown on the app or website while booking, and Oyo makes sure that their hotel partners are providing the same to the customers what they promised. Affordability means Oyo Rooms provide high quality customer experience at very affordable price. Technology means Oyo has made hotel bookings every easy and hassle free. With the help of Oyo app, a user can book a room in just 3 clicks and within 5 seconds. Oyo Rooms business model. Oyo books are part of hotel inventory beforehand. Oyo organizes the booked rooms under their brand name, and Oyo signs a contract with the hotels to provide standardized services to their customers. The bookings are made through the website and mobile application, and then customer books rooms at predetermined prices by OYO. OYO does more than 15 million bookings in last year and has an annual growth run rate of approximately 400 billion every year. From the late 2017, OYO changed its business model from being a hotel aggregator into franchises. The shift was mainly to reduce operational costs and improve serviceability, the company said. Marketing and branding. Since the inception of OYO, the competition in online hotel booking is increasing day by day. So, to retain their customer and to attract new leads, OYO rooms use both mass media and digital marketing to engage their audience. OYO rooms has strong social media presence on Facebook and Twitter and keep their audience engaged with new offers and several campaigns.